What you got there?
Looks like a beer to me.
Yeah, it looks like a beer to me too, man. Oh, shit. So what brings you to this overpriced bar tonight, huh?
I was supposed to be meeting a friend for drinks and a business proposition, but I don't know, he bailed on me.
Oh, shit, man. That's tough. Been there.
It is what it is.
Mm-hmm. Well, Varun, right? So, like, what do you do?
In tech, and I also am, I guess, attempting to invest in various startups.
Oh, okay. An Indian American in tech. Never heard of that one before.
What makes you think I'm Indian?
Your name, it's like as Indian as they come.
Right?
Yeah.
Like painfully Indian.
Yeah, come on.
I'm actually Nepali Punjabi, but you're close enough, honestly.
Okay, all right, cool. I'll take it. Okay, so I've never really like done the whole tech thing. I'm not really savvy with all that, but like, what do you do in tech?